In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a YouTube music playlist. This is a straightforward process that will help you organize your favorite songs and share them with friends. Let's get started. First, open the YouTube Music app. You can find the app on your device's home screen or in the app drawer. If you haven't installed it yet, head to your device's app store to download it. Once you open the app, you'll be greeted with a rich interface full of music options. Here, you can explore genres, discover new artists, and find playlists curated just for you. This step is essential because without accessing the app, you won't be able to create or manage any playlists. Next, tap on the library icon located in the bottom menu bar. This icon typically looks like a small bookshelf. By tapping on it, you're accessing all your saved music, albums, and playlists in one convenient place. The library is where you can easily manage your music collection. It's important to know where this section is, as it will be your hub for all playlist activities. Now, tap the plus icon at the top of the screen or select New Playlist. The plus icon is usually found in the upper right corner, and it's a clear signal that you're about to make something new. Selecting New Playlist will take you directly to the playlist creation page. This action is crucial because it initiates the process of building your personalized music collection. After that, give your playlist a title and an optional description. The title should reflect the essence of your playlist, be it a mood, a genre, or a special occasion. The description allows you to provide additional context for your listeners. This can include why you created the playlist or what type of songs they can expect. A well-thought-out title and description can make your playlist more appealing to others. Next, set your privacy level for the playlist. You have three options: public, unlisted, or private. If you choose public, anyone can search for and view your playlist. Unlisted means only people with the link can see it, while private restricts it to just you. Understanding these privacy options is important as it allows you to control who can access your music collection. This ensures that your personal preferences are respected. Finally, tap Create to finalize your playlist. This action will save all the information you entered and establish the playlist in your library. You will see a confirmation appear indicating that your playlist has been successfully created. This is a satisfying end to the process and means you can start adding your favorite tracks right away. Congratulations, you have now created your very own YouTube music playlist. Remember that you can always return to the library to edit your playlist, add more songs, or modify the title and description. This flexibility allows you to keep your music collection fresh and aligned with your changing tastes. Enjoy curating your music journey.